Think you're too old for a fitness trampoline? Think again. I'm 65. I am about to be 66, and I'm going to show you beginner steps and a little bit intermediate steps on the BCAN B24 fitness trampoline. This is great for women over 60 or anybody really. It's a wonderful trampoline. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it as we go, but let's just get started. Health bounce. We want good posture. Soften the knees. Push down on the mat, the whole foot. Engage that core. Make it tight. Relax the shoulders. Let's go. Push down. Here we go. Let's go. How you feeling today? Come on. Step touch. That's right. That's right. Just getting our body moving. Now, go to heel lifts. Push down. Get the lymphatic system flowing. And heel lifts. This is just your warm-up. And step touch. That's right. And back to health bounce. Just breathe. If you have to keep your hands on the bar, that's fine. Good, all right. This trampoline comes 90% pre-assembled. All right, you ready? Let's go. Now, we're gonna do a basic bounce. Just a little bit off the mat. Barely lifting off the mat. This is optional. If you can't do that, keep your feet flat and just push down on the mat. I'm pushing down. This is a down bounce, right? Push down. That is your down bounce. Now, we're going to go to heel digs. This trampoline will hold up to 400 pounds. Has this phone holder, cute phone holder. You can turn it around, you can lock it in. And toe taps. It's so quiet. I'm amazed at this trampoline, how quiet it is. All right, just shake that out. Sway a little bit. Get the hips loose. Pushing down with the heels. Barely lifting. All right, a little bit. Bounce, bounce. I'm not off the mat though. I'm just pushing down with my heels. That's right, just showing up is more than enough. This is the beginner one. If you want to go to the intermediate, then we're gonna go bring your feet in and you're gonna twist. Squeeze the inner thighs. Just like that, okay? All right, good. Now we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna do a heel toe. Soften the knee. And the other side. Good. Now, bounce and heel, bounce and heel. Just a little bit intermediate. Good. All right, slow it down a minute. Now we're going to go to walk up and back. Lead with the left, and then switch to the right. This probably could look the same, I'm not sure. I think it's backwards, maybe? Maybe not. And switch. Women over 50, 60, men, we can do this. And switch. That's your beginner step. Your intermediate, it's gonna look like this. Forward and back. You really want to engage the core. You do not want to hurt your back on this. Now you can do a double bounce. Double forward, double back. All right, back to step up. The bar is adjustable. Just loosen that and you can adjust it to your height. Switch, and good. Yeah, okay, wonderful. Now, let's do some squats. Push your hips back. Push those hips back and up. Got it? Squeeze the glutes as you come up. All right, I find it easier to move to the side with one arm. You could do it with this way also. I just find it easier. Okay, let's walk. Walk and march. This comes in a 40-inch and the 48-inch. This is the 40-inch that I have. More information will be in the description. 15% off now to the 31st. Yeah. Whew, okay. Now, we're gonna go to scissors. This is a little more advanced, a little intermediate, double, double. And now singles. Doubles, doubles, double, and back to singles. All right, step, touch, wide. Y'all, I wasn't ready for this today. Allergy season in Florida. All right, we're gonna go to kicks. Kick. I know some of you ladies used to be on the drill team, cheerleader. Come on, kick those legs. And side, kick, kick. Let's go. And front. Beginner. You want to see the advanced? You got to bounce. This is advanced. I love this T-bar. It sure helps with balance. All right, walk it out. Add your personality. Come on now. Whew. All right. I think, let me check the music.
Step to the left now, step to the right. We're feeling good, we're feeling light. A little swing and a
Yeah. Come on. Let's dance. I created all this music, y'all. All right. We're going to bounce side to side. This is advanced. I know I've been rebounding for over 2 years now. All right, let's slow it down. I always feel good after I get on here, even though some days I don't want to get on. Woo, okay, keep looking at the computer because, oh, here we go. Let's slow it down. And sway, and sway. Let's move those hips. Just sway.
That's the way we let it go. Little movements feeling free. Bringing back our energy.
Yeah.
No big jumps, no rush today.
And let's just slow it down. Bring the breath down.
Smiles and laughter fill the room.
There are a few more intermediate steps that I'm going to get into next time,
I step with Cheryl now.
like high knees, sprints, one leg hop. We'll do that next time. Right now we're just slowing it down. Bring the breath down, go back to a health bounce.
That's where all the fun begins. Grounded moves and happy feet.
Grounded moves, that means we're not lifting off the mat.
Soft and sweet. Every bounce can lift your soul.
Yes, lifts your soul, lifts your spirit, and energizes your body.
Rebounding with Cheryl today. Smiling all along the
I need water. Don't forget to drink your water. It does come with extra bungees for a firmer feel, the green ones. It also comes with these grippy socks if you don't want to go barefooted. These are great if you feel like maybe you're a little bit, if you're slippery or something. But this mat feels so good on the bottom of my feet. Okay? And you can take this off once you get used to this. You can take the bar off, and there's a little thing that looks like this that you put on the bottom. And so this is very lightweight. I love it. I have 4 trampolines. Shh, don't tell anybody. But you can move this around. Like I can take this outside. It's really meant for indoor, so I would never leave it outside. But that's it for today. You guys are the best. Thank you for joining me. And this is actually, by the time I upload this, it's not day 2, but this is actually the second one in the series that I'm doing. I will try to upload more videos so that you can enjoy. But I have a playlist, you know that. I have over 350 videos. You can always go back and listen to that. I also have a praise and worship playlist for those who love worship and praise music. See you next time. Bye. Oh, and you know what to do, right? If you like this trampoline, go check it out. It's in my description. Hit it and learn more about it. It's a great company. I was so impressed with when they sent this to me so I could showcase it just for you.